Thanks to their non-sparking operation, air motors are often considered an ideal solution for applications in hazardous environments. As a leading manufacturer of air motors, Huco specializes in piston air motors, which are more efficient than traditional vane air motors. Huco's Dynatork motors use less air, make less noise, and use non-lubricated air, which means they are better for the environment. But what are their real-world performance figures compared with vane motors? Huco has built a comparison test rig to demonstrate the advantages. Vane motors operate like a windmill inside a cylinder. Compressed air is used to propel the blades and turn the shaft. These devices are less efficient, so require a greater amount of compressed air to operate. They also take a few turns to build up maximum torque and can overrun slightly after the compressed air is switched off, which means they are less well suited to controlling positional accuracy. Piston motors use reciprocating pistons to turn a central shaft, much like a petrol engine. The Huco Dynatork piston air motor is intrinsically efficient, requiring far less air than its vane motor counterpart. In stirring applications, piston motors can do the same job as a vane motor, but using as much as 75% less air. The free-floating pistons of the Dynatork motor transmit maximum torque on startup. This can be easily adjusted via a pressure regulator. The result is high torque, even at low speed, precise speed and position control, and very low noise operation. This design offers very high efficiency because the leakage of air through the motor is minimized. There is also no possibility of sparking, making the motors suitable for use in 8X Zone 1 applications. As a result, the Huco Dynatork piston air motor is cost-efficient in energy consumption, non-contaminating, quiet, and offers instant control. Furthermore, the motors are fully submersible and corrosion-resistant. Huco Dynatork. Simple reliability for the most demanding applications.